Every Goan knows this is the real king of Goan snacks and it needs no introduction. If there are no prawn rissois at a Goan function, is it even a function? These bite-sized snacks, perfect blend of crunch on the outside and a juicy, spicy feeling on the inside. Watch the entire recipe, try it out for yourself and let me know in the comment section how you like it. To prepare the prawn filling, we heat some oil and butter and stir fry the chopped prawns with little bit of salt until it turns golden brown. Transfer the prawns in a separate container and heat some butter and oil in the same pan. Add in some chopped green chilies and chopped onions and stir fry until they are translucent. Then goes 1/4 cup of milk. Please make sure that the flame is low at this point, otherwise the milk will start to curdle. Combine everything together and cook for a minute or two and then add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Make sure that the flour is cooked well along with the onions before you add in your fried prawns. Add half teaspoon of pepper powder and I have also grated a small piece of nutmeg for extra flavoring. Once everything is combined well, then add the remaining 1/4 cup of milk and cook everything together. Adjust salt if needed and then set aside to cool down. To prepare the dough, heat 1½ cup of water, add 2 tablespoons of butter and half teaspoon of salt. Once the water starts to bubble, add equal amount of all-purpose flour. Now act quick and keep mixing the flour until it combines well together and starts leaving the sides of the pan. This process might take you 5 to 10 minutes to get the perfect smooth dough. Divide the dough in equal parts and roll out each part to form a thin sheet. Once the dough is rolled out, cut out equal size circles to form the pastries. Add your prawn filling and then use little bit of water around the edges so that it sticks together when folded. Now all you got to do is fold the circle in half and pinch the edges throughout to get a perfectly shaped half moon. The final step is the coating. This will give the rissois the crunchy golden outer layer. For the coating, we will require 1 beaten egg and equal parts of semolina and breadcrumbs. First dip the rissois in the egg and then transfer it into the semolina and breadcrumb to coat well. Deep fry them until it turns golden brown and attains a nice crunchy layer. And the delicious creamy prawn rissois is ready to be served. Do try this recipe out and let me know your views in the comment section below. Don't forget to share it as many times as you can with your family and friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then please hit the subscribe button and join my YouTube family.